Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy weekend. So excited for the weekend. Michael and I are going to be doing some landscaping and gardening stuff, so I'm super excited. We kind of let it go last year with me being sick, but I'm ready. I'm ready to get back in there. It's just so much fun. Hopefully it doesn't rain this weekend because it's just been raining and just spring just doesn't want to come. It's like it's warm one day and springy, and then the next day is like cold and rainy, and it just doesn't know what it wants to do. But hopefully there is no rain this weekend and we can finally get out in the yard because my back patio is just, it needs help. It really does. But anyway, today we're going to do my eyes. As you can probably tell, I don't have any eye makeup on, no mascara, anything like that. I thought I would show y'all how I use the little Tartelette Tease palette. Doing the Sephora video the other day, I really wanted to do this little palette again and just show y'all how I can get a look with all of these shades. But I'll start off with a simple look, just using like mainly like this middle shade here that I wore a lot with this palette. That's why this kind of hit pan right there. I'm tempted to actually go get me another one, but I'm like, no, you don't need another one. Maybe if I can find this crush color by itself. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. But anyway, okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to zoom in just a tad. Maybe like that so you can see my eyes a little bit better. First, I've already highlighted like my brow bone with my Benefit Highbrow. So I'm just going to set that using this shade right here, the Whisper shade in the palette. And I'm using a Morphe M333 for this. It's just a wide brush. It's not really gonna give it much more of a highlight, but we'll take care of that a little later with some highlight. And I got a mirror over here. That's why I'm looking this way, and then I'm looking at the mirror behind the camera. I'm gonna go back into that shade with a Morphe. This is the E18. Pretty much all my brushes are Morphe, y'all. I have that, I'm just going to pop it right in the corner, inner corner. I have the Morphe brush subscription that I get every month. I usually check it every month to see what I'm getting, and if it's something that I don't want or if I maybe have already, you can skip the month. And it's a good way to get your brush collection going, if you know what I mean. And they're really good brushes. So just pop that in the center, in the inner corner. I'm now going to take, I'm going to go into this shade here called Wink. Let's see what brush do I want to use for that. This is actually a Sigma brush. I'm going to use the E30, is it E35? No, E55. But I'm going to put that shade mostly in the inner corner and then work it towards the middle. And same on this side. I'm going to take this Morphe M521. I'm not sure exactly what brush this is particularly for, but it's more of a like fluffy, I think it's more of like a fluffy shader brush. I mean, it could be like a blending brush, but it's kind of tapered. So I think it's really good for like if you have like a satiny kind of shade, or like a shade that's kind of in between satiny and glittery a little bit. It's very good at packing on the lid, so that's what I mainly use it for. So I'm gonna go into that crush color that I've loved so much, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to put that on the lid. And you can actually, what I actually used to do for just an everyday easy look, I would take this color and just work it into my crease. Getting it darker, of course, on the outer part of my eye. See, isn't it just a pretty, it's just a pretty color. Very neutral, very easy to work with. I wish they had it on its own, I really do. And they might. I'll have to look into that. I don't know. Or something like it. I'll have to check it out. So I'll usually do that, and then I would take just a blending brush. This is this is a R38 from Morphe. Just a clean brush, and just kind of sweep it in windshield wiper motions just to kind of blend that color a little bit. And I'd also put a little bit underneath on my lower lash line. Throw on maybe like either this, whatever I was feeling, either the purple or the dark brown as eyeliner, and I was good to go with some mascara. That's pretty much what I was doing, like for work mornings and stuff. It was just a simple, neutral, classic kind of look. Easy, fast, just that's why I hit pan so easy for this look. But we're gonna go a little further today, and we're gonna use all the shades. We're just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. And just packing on that color. So just blending it in, bringing it up into the crease, making it a little darker on the outer part of your eye. Now I'm going to go into this color right here. It's called First Kiss. So I'm just going to get that onto my, well, I think I said this already, the R38. And I'm just going to use windshield wiper motions and put that in my crease just to kind of blend with that crush shade. Just very lightly. I'm not like piling it on or anything. Just to kind of give it some dimension a little bit. Now I'm going to go into this darker purple right here called BFF, and I'm going to use an M433 for that. It's just a smaller version. I think it's a smaller version of this brush. It's kind of cinched at the top right there. Just very good for like outer V's. Just very good for placing that color there, and then you can blend it out with another brush or use this brush. Let me use this little mirror so I can do that. And I'm just kind of stamping it. Y'all see that? My hair's in the way. Stamping it on the outer part of my eye. You can sort of make like an outer V with it. Just packing that color in there. And I'm kind of swooshing it up. Swooshing. To just blend it in a little bit. And you can darken it up as much as you want. And we'll blend that out a little bit better in a minute, but I'm going to move on to the other side. And then again, I'm just kind of stamping it in there and then blending it sort of upward. You can make like a V with it. But I want it to, I don't know why I like to do these upward strokes. I just find it blends better. That's just me. Yeah. We all have our ways. We all have our beauty ways. I'm going to go back to my blending brush. This is the R38. I'm just going to wipe it off just a little bit and again, just blend that darker color into the crease. I'm going to go back into the dark purple, the BFF, with a Morphe M432. It's just a very flat, almost like a flat liner brush. It's very good just to stamp a color in your lower lash line. So I'm just going to tap it in there. And I'm just going to, like I said, just stamp the color, that darker color, just on the outer part. I kind of just went halfway a little bit, and we're going to blend that out with a Morphe E36. I'm going to go into the First Kiss color right here. And I'm going to kind of go over that and bring it all the way in. You can drop it down a little bit if you want a more like a smoky type look. That crush color can have a little bit of some fallout, so get your beauty blender handy, and if you have any, just pick it up with your blender. I don't know if I did. I didn't see any, but I know that it's done that before, and I've always had to kind of clean it up. But yeah, we're good. Back to my little Sigma brush. This is just a double-sided one. Of course, you can get these two separate brushes, but I'm going to this side, which is the E30. I'm going in with the dark brown shade here, which is called Heartbreaker. What's going on over there? Who is that? Like Nosy Rosie these days. Someone's at my brother's, and I'm not sure who it is, and they parked like all the way at the end of the driveway. And they're going to the front door. Oh! Oh, that's Waiter. I'm so nosy. I wonder what my sister-in-law must have ordered lunch or something. Is she home? Oh, it's Alexis. Oh my god, I'm so nosy. Alright, back to the tutorial. So I'm going into the dark brown, which is called Heartbreaker, again with my E30. I've got to stop that. I'm turning into my mama, y'all. And I'm just going to smudge that color on my upper lash line, using it as like a highlighting. I'm distracted by the Waiter person right here. I'm gonna use this as eyeliner. I'm gonna try to go a little bit. I'm gonna bring my big mirror in, so excuse me for that. But I'm just going to. I want to bring it a little bit further up, just on the outer part. Yeah, like that. If you want, you can just leave it like this and finish off with your mascara. But I'm going to go back into this Wink shade right here with my E55. And I'm just going to freshen up sort of that inner part right here. Just kind of clean it up and just make it a little bit more defined. I think with my finger, I'm going to stamp that crush color. Just make it a little bit more prominent on my eyelid. Sometimes your finger is just the best tool ever. Okay, and I'm done. Let me put on my mascara. I'm gonna go in with my Chanel, Le Volume de Chanel. So all my, I'm still waiting on one Sephora order, so I can show y'all what I got. One order came in, like when I ordered like the first weekend for the Sephora sale. That order came in. And then I ordered also from Ulta because I had a 20% off. And it's very rare you get a 20% off for like even like the prestige brands. So I ordered me a few things from Ulta. So that actually came in today. So I'm just waiting for my Sephora haul to come in. But it's taking, I think I got an email saying that, you know, it was just taking a little bit longer. I guess because of all the people that probably always ordering online. I'm using the Clinique High Impact Mascara. I had to think for a second. I really like this mascara. I need to get, I didn't purchase it for the sale because I just didn't think about it, but I really do like it. I want to get the full version, full size. But I think I'm going to get the waterproof for when summer hopefully gets here soon. I'm so ready. I really probably need to get out today. Today is Friday. I'm gonna try to put this up. Probably edit it this evening and hopefully put it up in the morning. Maybe I'll put it up tonight. We'll see how the day goes. Not sure what's going on today, but I really need to, I'm probably like all up blocking the camera. I really need to go get cat food for Miss Bella and Miss Zoe. We have an outdoor cat. She actually kind of just adopted us. She's always actually been my brother and my sister-in-law's cat who lived next door. but she kind of like migrated over to my house, so I've been feeding her. And I think she actually rathers Bella's food. That's probably why she stays over here. But anyway, besides the point, I need some more cat food. But I'm starving. What time is it? It's almost 1:30, and I haven't eaten lunch yet. I ate breakfast this morning, but I haven't eaten lunch yet. I'm starving. This is the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara, and this is... No, I think I got this one in. I'm just kind of waiting to bust it open to... once I do my haul for y'all. I also, I have some stuff coming. Well, I have the Victoria's Secret stuff came in. But I ordered from this new online store that was very intriguing to me. So I want to show y'all what I got and just tell y'all a little bit about the store. And I may actually order some more stuff. And I've never tried their stuff though, so it's like I kind of want to get the order in so I can see if I really like this place. All done. I'm going to throw on a little highlighter because I didn't do that yet. Of course, I'm going to use my It Cosmetics Hello Light. My favorite. I did order a new highlighter. So we'll see. Because really this is, I mean, I have a Becca one, but this is the one that I just always go to. I find the Becca one is just a little bit like too gold, just for me. And I'm going to stamp that up here a little bit. But I really like this one because it's subtle. It's just me. But QVC had their Beauty with Benefits show on last night, so I ordered a palette, which I'm super excited about, and then that highlight, which I wasn't planning on getting. I was just going to get the one palette. I told myself I don't need anything else, but this palette I've kind of been eyeing. Well, not this particular palette, but from that brand. And I just wanted to, try it out a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Try not to mess up my lipstick. I'm wearing the Josie Maran Embrace It Honey that I talked to y'all about in the Sephora video. Like, just one of my absolute favorite lipsticks. So one infused with like the bee sting, but this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling because this video is gonna be way longer than I want it to. Let's zoom away a little bit. So this is the look. I also have Second Day Hair, so I filmed a video on that as well, so I'll have that link down below if y'all want to check that out. I'll put my Sephora video down below too if you want to check that out. I'll have a link to this little palette and all the brushes that I used and the mascara and everything linked down below if y'all want to check those out. But yeah, that is it. I'm wearing, what am I wearing today? I'm wearing this cute little top from Nordstrom Rack. Nordstrom Rack has been like my absolute favorite place to shop lately. They just have like really cute stuff and it's inexpensive. And I love bralettes. This is just a older Victoria's Secret one. I actually don't think they have those anymore. But yeah, it's a little, it's really not that see-through, but it was just a cute little top. And I love t-shirts, and they just always have the best t-shirts at just such a good price. And my Stella & Dot necklace, of course. But yeah, that's it. That is what I wanted to show y'all today, just show y'all how versatile and just how cute this little palette is. And you can get, I mean, I used all the colors, but you can do, I mean, you don't have to use all of them. It's just so versatile and so easy, so cute to travel with. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab me something to eat and go get my cat food, and I will see y'all in my next video. Be sure to come follow me on all my social medias, which mainly I'm just on Instagram. But yeah, y'all have a great weekend, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.